This is my little mountainous town in the Western Cape of South Africa. From its entry point to its exit points and back is a perfect mile. And this is me, Robin, an engineering student who decided on his last day before class starts to go run in the rain. Without a doubt, the perfect way to break your day up into blocks or segments. I've set out a challenge for myself to run that 1 mile route every hour for 13 hours, which results in a half marathon distance of 13 miles or 21 kilometers. After each run, I have a couple of things I would like to do, whilst also simply enjoying a Sunday with my family. This all gives my day a lot of structure and purpose, and I can't wait. I'm going to take you along with my journey in a very real and uncut fashion. So let me jump out of bed and get going with mile 1.
It's just past 8 o'clock, so it's time for my first mile. I'm going to quick glass of water just to wake myself up, and we're going to get mile 1 done. Let's go. This stop street marks halfway, 800 meters, half a mile. Let's get mile 1 done. The end of the turnoff's over there, so that's the length of the city from that little town. Right, so that's mile 1 done. The most important thing I need to do now is get breakfast. I haven't had breakfast yet, and this is going to be a long day. So I'm going to head straight to make breakfast, thinking of making some oats. I'm going to show you a secret recipe. Really flavors up the oats. Let's get into the breakfast. Okay, so the same way that you normally make oats, half a cup of oats, half a cup of water, half a cup of milk. Just before it gets ready, you chop up some apples and you put it in. I know some people like putting in afterwards, but I like it when the flavor is nicely burnt in with the oats. And then it's the secret ingredient. You get some cinnamon. And you put some cinnamon with it, which gives it a really nice flavor and texture to it. So, this is my recipe, and that's breakfast. Morning! In the middle of mile 2, but just appreciate the view of the mountains. What a beautiful run this is. Run 2, mile 2 done. And something I'm going to do is I want to have a glass of water after every single run. I want to make sure I hit a target of at least 3 liters for the day, so I stay nice and hydrated. And we're busy doing a game, so later I'm in a game with my little brother and my older brother. Yeah, so I'm just going to chill a little bit for this next 20 minutes about. That took a bit longer than I expected. And then we get to the next block for mile 3. So in the run there, it's getting really tough. But we're a quarter of the way done. And let's keep pushing. See you guys now inside. Okay, we're back inside, and one of the big things I want to do is my university starting tomorrow. So something I've been meaning to do is cleaning up this mess of the desk, this mess of a table, sorting everything out so it looks neat and tidy, get it all ready for the day. It's now just past 11 o'clock, about to go for mile 4. And as you can see, it just started raining. A nice drizzle, so it should be a cool little run. So I got some cool indie tracks going on in the back. Gonna set Strava out now. Beautiful day, beautiful run in the rain. Mile 4 started. Okay, so I definitely need to shower, get dry before the next run. I'm going to jump through the shower before we head for mile 5. And after that refreshing shower, the drizzling stopped, the raining stopped, and the sun is starting to come out. I'm quite happy about the rain because usually around this time, around 12 o'clock, it is extremely hot here. So I'm hoping the sun stays away for a little bit, and then later in the afternoon it can come out again when it's a bit cooler. But yes, let's do it. Mile 5, let's go. Halfway, but I can really feel my muscles starting to cramp, and it's probably because I haven't stretched at all or warmed up at all for any of the runs. So definitely after this one, before number 6, I have to stretch my calves and my hamstrings. Let's go. And that's mile 5 done. By far my worst time. And I had to stop multiple times because I felt my calf pulling. So definitely I'm feeling it. Feeling the repercussions for not stretching and warming up properly. But it's also, that's the furthest I've ever actually run in a single day. I've run 5Ks before, and when I play hockey matches or football matches, when I time myself on my watch, generally around 6 or 7Ks in a match. But now I've already run 8Ks and I'm only halfway there, so my body's actually never done this. And at times when I was playing football and hockey was what, 2-3 years ago since I ran that far. I recently did the 30-day challenge of running a mile a day, so that was only 1 mile a day, and I felt that a struggle after being the whole year of lockdown sitting inside. So yeah, it's going to be a really big challenge to finish the second half, or the second half and a bit of this challenge. But I'm going to keep pushing, keep challenging myself, seeking discomfort, you know. So it's time for lunch after that last run, and since I'm starting a vegan challenge soon where I'm not going to eat any meat for quite a while, I decided to get some chicken takeaways, some KFC for last time before the challenge.
Bye, love you.
Halfway there, maybe halfway there, we'll see how it is, but after the 12th run, maybe the 13th run will be a bit shorter to get to the half marathon length. But yes, now it's another 45 minutes before I have to run again, so let's be productive. The reason I'm taking this challenge on is it's a perfect opportunity to break your day down into segments. It's not the same as a normal day where you end up loafing around, you're not doing much. It's very set up. Every hour you go for your run, and then you have 45 minutes to slightly recover and be productive in different ways. The morning, Sunday morning, last day before university, it wasn't that productive. Most of the time was spent with my little brother or with my mom, watching some things on TV, or I cooked breakfast, I had lunch. So there was a lot of family time, being calm. I cleaned my room for tomorrow for the first day of university again, so I made sure it's all tidy and ready. And I've got a few goals I want to set out for the rest of the day, for the next 6 or 7 miles that I want to achieve in between the breaks, so that I know that I'm productive and it was a very good productive day in between running a half marathon.
Mile 7, the 7th block of running, and the rain is back. It's getting quite cold out. Nice little run in the rain. What time is it? Is it 11 PM? Is it 1 AM? It doesn't matter. Get up and go run. Go do what you've always wanted to do. And as soon as you get back, take out your phone and call that person you've been meaning to call and tell them you love them. Don't live life with regrets. Go out and actually live. Just took my shirt off because it's soaking wet, but I'm here in my next break now before the next round. I'm playing a bit of games with my brother, and we're busy playing some Fall Guys, and he's made it past the first 2 rounds. The first 7 gets eliminated, so let's see how he does. Come on, roll. Ooh, early trouble there. Early trouble for him. Running against the crowd. Come on, roll. You're under pressure, eh? Mm-hmm. Under pressure. Under pressure. No one else has been eliminated. Are you going to be the first one? Are you going to be the first one? You're going to get stuck there. You're going to get stuck there. And the rage is on. However that happens, I'm going to have a turn now. I'm going to play a bit and get a bit of a break. And then I'm going to run again. See you guys soon. So after running in the rain yet again in the previous run, my shirt was absolutely soaked. So a quick change of shirt after playing some games with my brother. Change of socks because my shoes were wet. Keeping the same pants because it was very sporty mesh material that dries very quickly, so that's all fine. So yes, let's get on the run. I'll see you guys outside now. About to go for run 8. It's still drizzling outside as you might see, but I'm quite happy, I'm quite chilled. I'm not going to go for a fast run, it's more about just getting it done. The body's quite sore. Busy stretching the calves down now on the step. So it's just busy stretching at the moment.
So yes, looking for a nice easy jog, easy mile in the drizzling rain. Beautiful out. I just finished mile 8, the 8th run of the day. It's now about 3:30, so it's the final stretch. But I'm finding it really tough to carry on. Finding it really tough to finish. My calves are pulling, my hamstrings are pulling. I'm running a little bit, then I have to stop to walk, and I'm running a little bit, then I'm stop to walk. My time is really slow. But all you can do is keep on going. So I just had an orange and sat outside for a bit to recover. And now I'm about to do my typing challenge where I type for 15 minutes every single day. So that's what I'm going to do now for the next 15 minutes, and then I have to get straight into run number 9. So I'm going to type a little bit, and then I'll see you guys soon. I don't know if you can see there, but I just actually set a new record of 69 words per minute, which is way faster than my previous words per minute record. So I'm actually really impressed. Even though I've been really busy and really tired all day, my mind is still sharp and typing, and that muscle memory is still there, even though I'm drained completely from the running. So this is quite cool, and I'm quite happy. Next up I'm going for the run. As soon as I get back from the run, it's going to be a gym session. So see you guys on the road. My calf is pulling a lot. I'm trying to start running, and I'll probably run like 100 meters, and then I'll do a sharp pulling, and then I have to stop. But I have to keep going. I have to keep going. Just finished a quick little gym session, and now we're on for run number 10, 10th mile, and my little brother's running with me, and he's going to play cameraman while I'm running. So see you now.
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed of.
Start training there.
Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let you in.
10 done. I'm going to get back inside, try and play a bit of ukulele. Yeah, see you guys now. So I decided to postpone the ukulele playing until a bit later, because as soon as I got into the house after the previous run, dinner was being served, and we had some fish fingers and broccoli. Obviously I was with the family, I didn't feel like recording all of that. And then it was just before the football match. First half, Man City versus Man United, I was watching that. Man United got a very early goal in the first minute penalty, but afterwards Man City was dominating possession, but we never had a final chance really. Man United have been defending really well, so it's been frustrating. Man City currently losing, but I think it's because I'm not wearing the shirt, so I'm going to push for a nice good run now, and then I'm going to change into the City shirt so that the boys are ready for the second half. Leg is really sore, we're just going to push through to make sure it's finished. Just got back. I see I'm 5 minutes late for the second half, and we're already 1 goal down. Quickly swapped shirts. It has to change it. We're going to get to a comeback here, 2-2 at least, 3-2 win. But it's not looking too good, honestly. But back to the running. My thighs are absolutely broken. Thighs are broken. Calf's been pulling non-stop since earlier. 2 more runs to go. Now I'm just going to chill a little bit. Sunday late evening. Sun's completely set over the last hour. And I'm just going to watch some footy, rehydrate before getting back on the run. See you guys now. Big chance here for City. De Bruyne across. No. See you guys soon. So unfortunately Man City didn't win. Man United got 2-0 win. But the league's already basically finished, and Man City's going to win the title. So we're going to be the champions of England. But it's okay. Bit demotivated now for the run because of the loss, but I must get my energy up, get a bit of hype, and let's go get those last 2 runs. See you now. The second last run starts now. is my first time actually ever trying to learn the ukulele, and I'm following a YouTuber called Andy Guitar, and he's got a great course, a beginner's course. So to start off with, we just learned first basic strings is the C major and the F major. So yeah, I'm going to carry on with the course and see what he says more.
Straight back to C now, so the first chord with the third finger here. That's on grey. When skies are grey. Into the C again, so back to the F. You'll never know, dear. Back to C. How much I love you. So hopefully now you see how important it is to get those changes down. You need to be comfortable changing.
Okay, so we learned the C major, the F major, and then the G major, which I find quite difficult to get to swap over. Got a stay one, and now we're going to play You Are My Sunshine.
Because I've got in 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, stay on the C, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, and back to C, F again.
Not very good. But I think I'll get it. Learn the chords, play it a few more times and get comfortable with those chords before we head on to day 2. But yes, that'll be my ukulele challenge that I'll be doing. And I'll credit Andy Guitar in the link down in the description. Great tutorial. But yes, I'm about to finish off this. I'm going to practice a little bit more and then I'm going to head out to do the last run of my half marathon challenge for the day. Literally using my phone's flashlight as light so you can see me. This is my final run, finishing the half marathon off right now. Not going to record much of this run because it's pitch black outside, and all you're going to see is every other street light, and that's very dim anyway. So final run, I'll see you guys back inside soon. And that's it. Run number 13, mile 13, 21 kilometers, a mile an hour, a different type of half marathon for sure.